National Weather Service in Cleveland has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Ashland, Knox, until 2:15 a.m. At 1:30 a.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a line of severe thunderstorms capable of producing quarter-size hail and damaging winds in excess of 60 miles an hour. These storms were located along a line extending from 9 miles north of Savannah to 21 miles southwest of Centerburg and moving east at 50 miles an hour. Locations impacted include Ashland, Mount Vernon, Polk, Fredericktown, Centerburg, Hayesville, Loudonville, Gamier, Danville. This is a dangerous storm. Seek shelter inside now and stay away from windows. This storm has a history of producing damaging winds. Seek shelter now inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows.
A severe